The billionaire CEO Damon Knight strolled into the small-town garage like he owned the entire block. His tailored suit, glossy shoes, and cold confidence immediately drew everyone's attention. In front of him stood a midnight blue '67 Mustang, his pride broken down on a road trip he hadn't planned. Mechanic Rayon Malik wiped his hands on a cloth and approached calmly. Damon looked him up and down with a smirk. "Think you can fix something this valuable?" he challenged. Rayon simply nodded. He'd seen all kinds of engines, but this Mustang was special, classic, powerful, and dangerously delicate. Damon leaned against the car and crossed his arms. "I'll make you a deal," he said. "Fix this Mustang in 2 hours, and I'll give you a reward that will shock you. Fail, and I'll shut this garage down for good." The staff gasped, but Rayon stayed steady. Rayon asked everyone to step back, slid under the car, and began inspecting the issue. Damon watched closely, waiting for a mistake, but Rayon moved with the confidence of someone born with tools in his hands. Every sound, every vibration, every misaligned bolt told him a story. When Rayon opened the hood, he immediately spotted a bigger, issue a custom racing carburetor misfitted by someone who clearly didn't understand classic cars. He shook his head. This wasn't a simple fix, but it wasn't impossible either. Damon's eyes narrowed, noticing the mechanic's focused silence. Rayon began disassembling the parts, lining each piece perfectly on the table like artwork. He cleaned, adjusted, replaced tiny components from memory. Damon raised a brow. Most mechanics relied on manuals, but Rayon relied on instinct. It irritated the CEO that he couldn't intimidate him. As the clock raced, the garage grew tense. Damon kept glancing at his watch, tapping his foot, fully expecting panic. But Rayon didn't rush. Every move was precise, disciplined. The other workers whispered, amazed by how effortlessly he handled such rare machinery. Halfway through, Rayon discovered a hidden crack in the intake manifold. Fixing it required welding skill and steady hands. Damon smirked, assuming this would be Rayon's downfall. Instead, Rayon powered up the torch, welded the crack with perfection, and cooled the metal evenly without warping anything. Damon's smirk slowly disappeared. The mechanic wasn't just talented, he was exceptional. Rayon reassembled the engine with the same quiet mastery. Each tightened bolt seemed to echo through the garage. Damon realized he was witnessing someone far more gifted than he had expected. With just minutes left, Rayon hopped into the driver's seat and turned the key. The engine roared to life, smooth, deep, powerful. Everyone cheered except Damon, who stood frozen. It sounded better than when he bought it. Rayon stepped out, wiping sweat from his forehead. "It's done," he said simply. Damon approached the Mustang, listening carefully. He revved the engine once, twice. Then his jaw tightened. "Who taught you to do this?" he demanded. Rayon shrugged. "My father. He restored classics before he passed. I continued his work." Damon's expression shifted unexpectedly. Something softened behind his eyes, but only for a second. He took a deep breath. "A deal is a deal," he said, "and your reward is ready." Everyone waited, confused and curious. Rayon stood still, unsure what to expect from a billionaire. Damon reached into his coat and pulled out a folder. "You don't know this," he began, "but I visited this garage last year. The conditions were awful. Outdated tools, low pay, barely surviving. I was planning to buy the property and replace it with a showroom." The workers gasped. "But today," Damon continued, "I saw something better than any showroom real talent." He handed the folder to Rayon. Inside were legal papers, contracts, and ownership documents. Rayon blinked in disbelief. Damon smiled slightly. "I'm giving you full funding to expand this garage." The room fell silent. Damon continued, "New equipment, new staff, and a partnership with my company. You'll be our official restoration expert. Your work deserves the world's attention, not this tiny corner." Rayhan's breath caught. This was beyond any reward he imagined. Damon stepped closer and lowered his voice. "People like you don't come around often. You don't work for me," he said. "We work together." It was the first time his tone sounded sincere. The staff clapped, some even wiping tears. Rayon felt pride he hadn't felt in years. But there was one more twist. Damon handed him a sleek black card. "And this," he said, "is the key to your second reward." Rayon opened the small envelope and found keys to a brand new workshop built under Damon's company name, designed specifically for classic car restorations. Rayon stared at Damon, shocked. The billionaire extended his hand. "You didn't just fix a car," he said. "You proved something I rarely see, integrity and mastery. That's worth investing in." Rayon shook his hand firmly, the weight of the moment settling into his chest. The Mustang purred behind them as if celebrating the moment. The garage that once struggled now had a future brighter than anyone expected. Rayhan looked around at his team and smiled. The reward didn't just change his life, it saved theirs too. And as Damon drove away in the perfectly restored Mustang, he gave Rayhan a final nod through the window. Not of superiority, but of respect. A billionaire had tested a mechanic, but the mechanic had won something far greater than a bet. He had earned a legacy.